We've had 13 straight sessions of gains. I mean, of course, what's happening, with individual stocks, that also is something that we'll talk about in greater detail with our chartists. But Kunal, hi, morning. At an index level, all things comfortable?
Yeah, I think everything's comfortable for the indices. Sector rotation at play. Nifty is managing to scale past above the previous highs on a very regular kind of a basis. Even though, of course, the pace of rally is very much on the slower side as compared to what we typically expect when the index rallies up for 12, 13 consecutive kind of trading days. But nevertheless, I think when you have such kind of a strong vibrancy in terms of sector churn, it's bound to be that with every phase there may be some bit of pause which could probably happen, and the pace of rally could probably slow down. What we've seen in the last 12-13 days of this rally is three gaps which have been created on the Nifty's chart. So I think the latest gap which was formed is closer to that 25,000, 25,100 levels, which means now we are looking at a fresh support which has moved up higher from those sub 25,000 to now 25,000 to 25,100 zones. So keeping that as a trailing stop loss, traders can hold on to the long positions.
Naresh, morning. Let's get in your take on the markets. And clearly, you've been talking about how we've been slowing down, and it really seems that that sort of sluggish or consolidative mode is very much on course.
Yeah, so we've been slowing down, but it's better to be positive than to be negative on the slowing side. So even though the trend does not have momentum, the trend is still up. We've hit a new all-time high. We are hitting all-time highs across various indices. But the struggle continues to remain in terms of the participation. So if you look at a Nifty Pharma index, that's up almost 10 to 15% over the last couple of months, when the Nifty has not done well, but it does not have a large weightage on the Nifty. Bank Nifty continues to struggle. It is nowhere close to a new all-time high, and that remains more than 30% of the Nifty. Overall, even the small caps have been slow and steady with selective moves. So there are sectoral moves, but they are not heavyweights. So for now, this is the structure. Only when the structure changes, we start breaking last 3-day lows, we take a shift in the trend and accept the slowness of the trend.